Hi, first grade. We are doing my review for Chapter 8 because we've got a test coming up very soon. And I'm going to go through with you the instructions for the my review, and we'll do the vocabulary together as well. So I will show the answers at the end, but we'll go through each question. It says, rewind. Let's first start by reading all of these words that we have for choices. We have analog clock. Remember, that's a clock that looks like this. Digital clock, a clock that looks like this. Half hour or 30 minutes. Length, measure, minute, and o'clock. It says, number 1, a blank is a type of clock that only uses numbers to show time. So a blank is a type of clock that only uses numbers to show time. Well, we know that these measurement words aren't there. You're right, that digital clock, it only uses numbers. It doesn't have the hands or anything else, digital clock. Number 2, 30 minutes past the hour is also called a, you're right, half hour or half past. Number 3, to find the length of an object, you can blank it. Yep, we can measure it. Number 4, you can measure how long an object is or its. When we want to know how long something is, we call that its length. Number 5, and blank is a clock that uses an hour and a minute hand. One of these clocks. That's called an analog clock. You're right. Number 6, the word blank is used to tell time. Yep, o'clock. That's used to tell time. There are 60 seconds in a minute. 60 seconds in a minute. If I went too fast for you, you can always pause the video, and then the vocabulary is right there. Again, always pause the video if I go too fast. Let's see, you need to do the rest of these, the rest of these on your own. I want you to cross out 9 and 10 because we don't have those materials and are not able to do those. Cross out 9 and 10. You can do the rest on your own. No worries there. Make sure you also do this reflect on the back too. Do both of those. So skip 9 and 10, but make sure you get to the back, the reflect part. Right, great. Have fun doing some math.